Hello everyone, my name is Jules. Welcome to Jules Food and Garden. Today I'll be making classic dinner rolls. Let's go! These are the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make my meal today. Butter, water, dry yeast, milk, salt, sugar, and flour. I'm going to give you a little brief description of my ingredients. And as for my milk, I combine coconut milk plus almond milk and a little carnation milk. And this is pink salt, a granulated sugar, and my flour, it's a combination of wheat flour, all-purpose flour, and bread flour. I'm gonna add my ingredients. So I'm gonna put the water. Oh, this is the milk. Milk, the water, and the butter. And the reason for this combination is that I have to warm this liquid and bring it to about 120 degrees. So the butter melted in the milk and the water. I'm gonna pour this in there, in this container. Okay, and as I said, I can put my finger in there, or if it's a little bit too hot, you can add a little milk in there. So, okay, now that's my tester. Now I'm gonna put yeast in it. It's activating now, and so I put a 1 pack, and so you just stir it. If you rest it for a while and it starts to get like thick, then you know the yeast is good. Now I'm gonna add my sugar to my flour. Like I said, I add my sugar to my flour, and this is a combination of 3 different flours. One is all-purpose, one is wheat flour, and the other is bread flour. So everything gonna give its own texture, and then the combination gonna be fantastic. I'm gonna gradually add the flour. So this is when I'm gonna add my flour gradually. I don't want it to be too stiff. Now I'm gonna use my chopping board instead. I hate to use my countertop, so Put a little oil on it, olive oil, and then set it aside for about 30 minutes. And it should double the size that it is right now. Stay tuned. You're gonna pour a little oil in this. Pour a little oil in how this is like that. And you're gonna grease the side and to prevent the dough from stick to the side. So then you're gonna get my dough. Right. Oil in it. Nurse it here. Okay. Clean this up. Okay. So this is what it looks like. So you're gonna rest this right. So now I'm gonna cover it. Just wrap. And set it aside for 30 minutes. And it should double the size. So start it raising up already. And you're gonna set it in a warm area, warm temperature area. So the kitchen right now is good because I'm cooking, so warm area. And cover it with a tablecloth. That's it. So I'm gonna move it over to here, and I'm gonna rub it out. I use whole wheat flour to dust the surface. You could use a rolling pin, but I'm not using any pin right now. I divided the dough in equal portion, somewhat equal portion, and now I'm rolling them in the bowl into little balls and put it in the grease baking container. So I tried, but okay, so this is one container. I'm gonna set these aside for another 10-15 minutes until they double their size, and then I'm gonna place them in the oven. After 20-25 minutes, these rolls are ready to place in the oven. This is the finished product of my classic homemade roll. Enjoy! I'm gonna try my roll, so let's see how this fare out to be. Ooh. See, very soft, and I'm gonna put lots of butter in. Hot. And very soft and nice. Thank you for watching. Please like and share my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon.